Welcome to our channel Sky Dominator. The F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II are often compared as rivals, but in reality, they represent two very different eras and philosophies of air warfare. Both are fifth-generation stealth fighters, both are built by the same nation, and both dominate modern aerial combat in their own way. Yet their missions, designs, and battlefield roles could not be more different. The F-22 Raptor was born from a single, uncompromising requirement: absolute air superiority. It was designed at the height of Cold War thinking, when the United States expected to face large numbers of advanced enemy fighters in contested skies. Every line of the aircraft, every system, and every performance margin was optimized to ensure one outcome: the complete destruction of enemy aircraft before they could pose a threat. The F-35 Lightning II emerged from a very different world. Instead of focusing only on winning dogfights, it was designed to dominate information. The modern battlefield is no longer defined by what a pilot can see with their eyes, but by what a network of sensors can detect, analyze, and share. The F-35 is not just a fighter, it is a flying command node that connects air, sea, and ground forces into a single combat system. From the outside, the differences are immediately visible. The F-22 is sleek, angular, and aggressive. Its twin engines provide extreme thrust, allowing it to supercruise at supersonic speeds without using afterburners. This ability gives the Raptor a critical advantage in both speed and fuel efficiency, allowing it to enter and exit combat zones faster than almost any aircraft in existence. The F-35, by contrast, appears bulkier and less aggressive in shape. This is not a flaw, but a design choice. Its internal volume is packed with sensors, computers, and electronic warfare systems. The Lightning II sacrifices some raw aerodynamic performance in exchange for unmatched situational awareness. It does not need to be the fastest jet in the sky if it can detect, track, and engage threats long before they become dangerous. In close-range combat, the F-22 is widely regarded as the most lethal air-to-air fighter ever built. Its thrust vectoring engines allow it to perform extreme maneuvers that defy conventional physics. High-angle turns, rapid changes in direction, and controlled post-stall maneuvers give it a decisive edge in dogfights. When engagements move within visual range, few aircraft in history could survive against a skilled F-22 pilot. The F-35 approaches combat from the opposite direction. It is designed to avoid close-range fights whenever possible. Its sensor fusion combines radar, infrared tracking, electronic signals, and off-board data into a single, coherent picture. The pilot does not manage sensors, the aircraft does that automatically. This allows the F-35 to identify targets, prioritize threats, and launch weapons without revealing its own position. Beyond visual range, the balance begins to shift. The F-35's ability to operate as part of a network gives it a unique advantage. It can receive targeting data from satellites, drones, naval vessels, and other aircraft. Even if it does not fire a weapon itself, it can guide missiles launched by other platforms. In this role, the F-35 becomes less of a fighter and more of a battlefield orchestrator. Stealth is another area where the two aircraft differ subtly but significantly. The F-22 is optimized for frontal stealth in air-to-air combat, minimizing its radar signature when approaching enemy fighters. The F-35 is designed for all-aspect stealth, particularly against ground-based radar systems. This makes it exceptionally effective in strike missions against heavily defended targets. When operating together, these differences become strengths rather than weaknesses. In modern doctrine, the F-22 clears the skies, eliminating enemy fighters and creating safe corridors. The F-35 then exploits this control, penetrating deep into contested territory, identifying targets, and coordinating strikes across multiple domains. This partnership represents the future of air warfare, specialization combined with integration. As conflicts evolve, the question is no longer which jet is better. The real question is how these aircraft work together to dominate every layer